Hey there, it's Kurt Trades here, and today I'm going to teach you how to change out your taillight bulbs on your Subaru Impreza and your Subaru Crosstrek. Impreza and the Subaru Crosstrek are almost identical vehicles. They have really minor differences, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to tell you what tools you need to do it. It's a pretty simple process actually. So basically you're just going to open up your hatch, and you have two 10mm bolts here that you're going to take off. So got two 10mm bolts out. You can also use a screwdriver. They have a screw head on them, but I don't recommend that as it's easier to strip them. Either way is fine though. Then you're just going to basically pull them straight out away from the car. You can kind of grab in here. You're going to want to grab up towards the very front of the tail light. And it's actually almost easier if you push from here. They have a little clip that they sit in. That's how they come out. So push from here. They take quite a bit of force. If you wiggle them a little bit more, it's a little easier. And once you have this apart here, you basically have your reverse light, your blinker, your turn indicator, and then your brake and tail lights here. So again, that'll be your reverse light, blinker, tail lights, and brake lights here. You can disconnect this if you want to take the whole thing out and move the tail light around. That'll disconnect your whole thing. Otherwise, you just turn them counterclockwise. Pull whatever bulb out you need straight out. Turn it counterclockwise, pull it out, and that's how your bulb comes out. Put it back in the same way and turn clockwise. When you're putting it back in, biggest thing is that you want to make sure this notch lines up with this tab here, so it'll slide down into that spot. That's the biggest thing you want to make sure. And then these two nubbins go into these holes here. You just basically push it straight back on. And then again, make sure this lines up down here. And then you're just going to give it a nice push to snap it in. And then put your 10mm bolts back in, and then you're good to go. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please sub, because it helps out very much. Thanks.